Khatta dhokla is a traditional anytime snack originally from Gujarat in western India. It is a steamed preparation made from fermented batter of rice and urad dal with a tangy sour taste. The following directions are for a 200-gram Khatta dhokla pack. Boil approximately 1 liter water in steaming vessel or cooker. Mix 60 milliliters or 4 tablespoons of fresh or sour yogurt, 240 milliliters or 8 fluid ounces of water and 45 milliliters or 3 tablespoons of oil. We suggest the yogurt or curd have a sour taste as it will bring out the real flavor of Khatta dhokla. To the above, add the Gits Khatta dhokla mix. Blend gently for 1 minute till the batter is smooth. If you wish the dhokla to have spicier taste, then add 2 teaspoons of green chilli paste and ginger. Now grease 2 steaming trays with oil and pour equal amounts of batter into each. Sprinkle black pepper or red chili powder. For steaming, you can either use a steamer or the pressure cooker. If using the cooker, do not use the weight or whistle. Steam for 12 minutes on high flame. Take the dhokla trays out of the cooker. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Now, cut the Khatta dhokla pancake into 5 cm cubes or wedges. And serve with green chutney.